One of my more successful videos has been Chinese pork belly in a slow cooker. But this recipe isn't really for everyone, especially if you don't have 4 hours to spare. And listen, that long cook time is pretty much necessary because that's how you get pork belly tender. Thankfully, the Filipinos came up with this: pork belly adobo. And sure, while it lacks the sweet tanginess of Chinese pork belly, whereas this is more peppery, it's still delicious and it's much easier to make. Let's begin. Now, in order to embark on our Filipino pork belly journey, I have here a straight-sided saute pan, and we'll set that over high heat. And after that heats up, let's add 3 pounds of pork belly chopped into bite-sized pieces like this. And yeah, this kind of looks like a lot. They're going to shrink in the cooking process, don't worry. Yep, just straight in. Trust me, there's enough intermuscular fat to render out. Make sure you sear all sides. Okay, when a good chunk of the pork is seared, or at least you're not seeing as much raw meat, lower the heat down to medium. And let's toss in 10 cloves of garlic, minced or smashed. As long as they're into little itty bitty pieces, that's all that matters. Mix it around. Garlic burns really easily. Okay, and after 2 minutes, drop the heat down to low. Add 1/3 cup of rice wine vinegar. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 3 bay leaves. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And since this is an Asian dish, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG. And listen, this is optional. You want to munch on bland, under-seasoned adobo, be my guest. Okay, that might have been more than 1/2 teaspoon. Nah, I'll live. Okay, mix all of our ingredients together. And finally, let's top everything off with 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. And you might want to skim off any fat that comes up. Alright, once it comes to a boil, drop the heat down to medium-low. Slap on a lid. And braise it for 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour and our adobo is ready to serve. Serve it on rice. There's only one way this could be more Filipino. Top it off with a fried egg. And here we go, folks. I made myself a lovely dish to impress my Filipino friends, if I had any. Well, I used to until one day out of the blue, my Filipino friend said, "Hey, want some puto?" And I'm still working on that restraining order paperwork. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun, and meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. If you really enjoyed the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Thursday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and support me on Patreon. I'm willing to wager a good chunk of non-Filipino viewers missed the entirety of the joke and are working on some sort of cancellation plan on Twitter.